What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. The last video was supposed to be the last one, but I'm pretty ticked off because I've been so busy with Arizona and getting ready to go to Daytona. I forgot one huge thing. How am I going to be riding 300 miles down to Virginia with no damn highway pegs? So I called over to Bergen County Harley Davidson. So I talked to Andy over at the parts counter, and he was actually able to overnight me the clamps and the Empire Collection highway pegs, and they actually came in today. Today is actually Friday. We're leaving Sunday morning. I'm gonna roll over to Bergen County Harley Davidson really quick because I am not riding 300 miles and not be able to stretch out my legs. So I'm gonna run over there really quick now. I'm gonna pick them up, we're gonna install them, and I'll show you really quick how they look because I definitely need them for the trip. I wanna be able to stretch my legs out, have a lot of comfort on this trip. So if you're new to this channel, we're leaving for Daytona 2020 Road Glide Special. Performance bagger, silverback here with a custom paint job. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I will be posting there quite often during the trip so you guys could follow along on the journey. Instagram is right there. Let me head over there now and pick this stuff up, and I'll show you guys how it looks. Be right back. Floorboard came in too. Andy is the man. None but the best. That fastback blue street bob is absolutely beautiful. Let me know what you guys think. Hello, this guy. If you guys need anything, come talk to Big Lou over here at Bergen Harley Davidson. He's gonna definitely help you out. There is a lot of bikes here on the showroom floor and a bunch of new ST models. Ask for Big Lou. All right, so if you guys didn't know, previous video, when I ordered my Empire Collection floorboards, they didn't come with a sticker, the Harley Davidson logo sticker on the right floorboard. So actually, Andy ordered it for me. What's up, TJ? How you doing, buddy? There's the man. How you doing? What's up, TJ? So he ordered the new floorboard for me, so I'm gonna replace it. Thank God it came in. I didn't even know it came in because I didn't have the Harley Davidson logo on it. So not only that, everything came in for my highway pegs, the clamps, and the Empire Collection highway pegs, so I actually have everything. So Andy was cool enough. If you guys need anything at the parts counter, go see Andy. He actually let me take it home, and so this way I save a trip. Let me take it home, I replace it, and I'll bring him back the other one another day when I can because I'm just such in a rush getting ready for Daytona. So let's go back home, put all this stuff on, and I'll let you guys see how the Empire Collection highway pegs look. Bergen County Harley Davidson, they have a crap load of bikes, and they also have a very large used motorcycle selection on the second floor. They have a bunch of STs on the floor, a bunch of road glides, street glides. Beautiful bike. Come talk to Big Lou. He'll definitely take care of you. All right, guys, I'm back at the house. So just to refresh everybody's memory, when I ordered the floorboards, it didn't come with the Harley Davidson logo stickers, so that's why they had to order me another one, and you can't get it by yourself, so they ordered me the entire floorboard, and I'll replace that, I'll bring the other one back. And these are the Empire Collection highway pegs, and I love them because they're not like thin and narrow. It actually has a nice spot you could put your foot on, and obviously they match. So we're gonna be using these brackets. Let me go ahead and put this on and I'll show you guys. This is super simple. There's no reason for me to explain this, but basically 2 bolts. It goes, I'm gonna mount it right onto the crash guard right there, and that will tie everything in, and I'll be super comfortable for the trip down to Virginia. So let me go ahead and get this started. So do you like the Harley?
Yes.
Huh?
Fire.
It's fire? Do you know the name? What's the name of the motorcycle?
Harley Davidson.
Yes, but the nickname, what is it?
It's Lullaby.
You see, my own daughter doesn't even know the name. What's the name? Silverback.
Silver.
That shows how much you watch. Thanks a lot. All right, guys, all done with the install. And when your own daughter, your own flesh and blood, and doesn't know the name of the main star of the show here, that's a problem. That goes to show you that she's not watching the videos. So I'm gonna have to tighten that up a little bit, so this way all the kids start watching me more. But anyway, bike came out really awesome. Let me show you guys how it looks. Here we go. So we replaced the floorboard. I have the logo on there, yes, so this way I don't look like a schmuck in Daytona. So now it's all done. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Let me show you guys the other side really quick. Let me hop on the bike. Ah, look at that. And I like it because it's actually nice and wide. It's not thin. It gives your foot like a good plant right there. Perfect. All right, guys, so this will definitely be the last video before we go to Daytona. I just wanted to show you guys that. And again, huge thanks to Andy over at Bergen County Harley Davidson. They have a bunch of bikes in and a lot more coming in. Huge used selection of Harley Davidsons on the second floor. Go ask for Big Lou. He'll give you a hand. Great guy. And I'm actually pretty much 90% packed. So I just have my camera gear and stuff like that. Sunday morning, we're going to be leaving. Hope you guys liked the video. Hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram, so this way you guys know what's going on during the trip. And also, if you're new to this channel or you haven't subscribed yet, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. It helps out the channel. And peace out. We'll see you guys on the next one.